Very good morning, everybody, for Sunday, the 9th of January. We're in a sort of a good spell of weather for today, and for today only, as low pressure does continue to dominate towards our north, but we're sort of free of any fronts today. The fronts being far enough out to the west that we're not going to see any upper level cloud. This high pressure system, unfortunately, just not going to get to us. Look, over the next few days, it is going to remain fairly cloudy and fairly murky, with sort of fronts crossing throughout the week, but hopefully some brighter spells on Wednesday. But yes, we sort of seem to be having sort of one day on, one day off, etc., with the weather as it stands currently. Those winds are coming in from the west, and as we look here, nothing to affect us being on 27, 25 knots at flying heights. Generally on the ground, I think it's going to be due west, and at heights maybe a bit of northwesterly, but the other forecasts have shown that it will be more with a bit of south in it. So within maybe 10 or 20 degrees of the runway heading, I'm sure, but not an issue for us. Satellite picture of the UK shows a very bright morning over most of England, and no real significant weather, no cloud or anything like that's really affecting us at all. Looking at the public forecast, yep, generally bright and sunny, with some variable amounts of cloud at times during the day, but nothing significant, nothing that's going to cause us any problems, and good visibility as well, and a wind speed of about sort of 10 knots on the ground at most. Those temperatures, well, it is going to feel still fairly chilly. There was a frost this morning. 6 degrees is the top temperature today, probably feeling more like 3 degrees, and dew points are sort of sitting around 1s and 2s, but you should start to feel a little bit of heat coming from the sun. Odium reporting 2 degrees southwesterly and no cloud detected. As we look at Farnborough, let's just have a look at how that's going on at the moment. 30 minutes ago, that's 240 at 7, and again 2 degrees. And their TAF showing that it'll be few at 3,000 feet. Maybe the odd chance of soaring, looking at that, with a southwesterly, west-southwesterly wind. So all in all, not bad at all. Let's have a quick look at top meteo if it wants to load, which it might not. Quick look, I think there's a chance of some weak thermals today. No, that's Tuesday. Tuesday. Getting there. Yeah. So some weak thermals, maybe to sort of 600 or 700 meters with isolated bits of cumulus. So yeah, maybe even 800 meters. So yeah, you might get some weak thermals up to 2.5 hours a week. Okay, airspace wise, not particularly much. Gliding at Abingdon, that's the Booker Gliding Club active there, so just keep an eye on that. Usual Farnborough side at Boscombe. Other than that, fairly quiet in our area. Operationally today, it will be 2.7 for the whole day. We'll need to have a look to see how bad the grass is, considering it did rain quite a bit yesterday, but at least we'll be on 2.7. If we do have to land on the runway, it will be the south circuit which lands on the runway, so the left-hand circuit behind the launch points, and the right-hand circuit will land on the grass. But I'll see if we can try to operate with the normal length to give us some nice high winch launches. No jet movements or any of that malarkey today. We do have a fair amount of capacity today, so if anybody's watching this thinking, it looks a nice day, then do come on up. I'm sure we can fit you in some shape or form. All right, see you on the airfield. Bye for now.